How do you draw a speed line? Like this? No, then watch the video. Hi guys, I'm Mobin, and today I'm going to teach you what a speed line is and how to draw it. So let's go. If you've seen my videos, you know that when we want to draw a hand in perspective, we start with a circle. Now I'll draw a hand as an example. Now we'll use the circles we drew as a guide to sketch the hand we want on top of them. Look. Now we come to the most important part of this video. If you want to show that this hand or anything else is moving quickly in one direction, you need to use speed lines. Draw the speed lines as multiple lines. But here's an important tip. If you want to show that something is moving to the left, you should draw the speed lines on the opposite side, which is the right. Watch carefully. Just like this. Oh, and one important tip. As always, here's a small cheat. Take a screenshot and use it. If you don't know how to draw girls' hair, don't miss this video. I'm Mobin, and don't forget to subscribe.